Hello and welcome back to our channel, and for today's video I have came up with an innovative earrings that you would definitely love to wear it. So here I have made a very beautiful golden color earring that you will love. So for that you will need a pearls so that you can decorate it just like I have did, a crochet thread. Now we'll start it by making a magic knot. Start with the taking a single chain. Here I have taken a 6 single chain, and my 6th single chain I have added to my first chain so that I can get that circle. Then again I have taken a 3 single chain and added into my circle. Keep adding with double crochet and complete the circle with at least 12 double crochet, and you will get a full circle ready for our earring. Continue crocheting until your hole is filled up. See, just like this. Now take a single chain, we need to take 5 single chain, add into the next chain underneath with double crochet, and as you all know our 3 chains will act as a double crochet. Now we need to flip the circle and take again 3 chains and add it into the hole underneath with double crochet, and in that hole we need to add first 6 double crochet. Continue till all the 6 double crochet are inserted into that hole which we have created using the 3 chain and one double crochet. Now again flip and add a thread into the hole underneath with double crochet, and in that hole we need to add 5 more double crochet. Remember, we need to get that bell shape, so we need to flip again and again to get those bell shape. Now after adding all the 5 chains, we need to add our last chain into the first chain with a single crochet, and again take 2 chains and add into the next chain underneath, so that we can proceed for the new bell. Again take a single chain, flip it over and take 3 chains, add into the hole underneath with the double crochet, and remember we need to add first 6 double crochet. Remember, after completing your 6 double crochet, you need to flip it over and add a single chain into that hole which we have created between 2 bells with double crochet, and then keep on adding your 5 double crochet into that loop which is present between the 2 bells. Continue adding 5 double crochet, and on 5th double crochet you need to add it into the first double crochet. so that you will get your perfect bell. And to move on to the next bell, take double crochet, flip it over, take a single chain, take 3 chains, add into that with the double crochet and take 6 double crochet in that loop. Continue adding it. It is very easy. Once you follow it step by step, you will learn how to create those bells. And after you learn this bell, you can make it even a necklace of it. I have here made a earring of it. Here I have done only 3 bells. You could do as many bells as you want, but you need to follow this step every time you make a new bell adjacent to the previous bell. Now only I just wanted to take the 3 bells. I have repeated only for the 3 times. You can do as many bells as you want. Now it is the last step of my last bell to add my 5th double crochet into my first, and now my third bell is ready, and I am moving forward with the circle. To give the earring a beautiful look, here I am taking a 3 chains and adding to the adjacent chains underneath. Again take a 3 chain, add into the adjacent ring of our circle, so that we can get those little bit of curves on our circle as well. Complete all the chains underneath of our circle with the 3 chain and add with the single chain or double chain. And here our earring with the bells are ready. To decorate it, you can add those pearls into the center and underneath of those bells as well to give it a beautiful look. Stick the page and earring to it so that you can wear it. See how beautiful it is, and the color is so vibrant. Both the colors are very beautiful, golden and blue. I have added the page and the ring. It is so beautiful. And here I have made a necklace as well with my earrings. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel.